Hi, I'm Corey Davidson reporting for Channel 5. As a nation, we spend millions of pounds each year sending our children to college and university. Some students decide that they would like to study in the media industry, such as radio, TV and journalism. According to recent statistics, only about 8% of college and university graduates walk into a full-time job in the media industry. I spoke to former student Emma Dick and asked her what she was doing now that she'd left college.
I've taken a year out from college or university. I've got a job in a shop. I'm earning some money, so if I decide I want to go back next year or 2 years, I could be able to afford it, to fund it properly. So yeah, I'm just getting my ideas together, decide if I actually really want to go back or if there's any point in going back.
What other options or solutions are out there for media graduates?
Sadly, with Bauer Media predominantly owning all Scottish independent stations, there aren't that many opportunities because there is so much syndication. The places where people used to cut their teeth in the evenings and overnight just doesn't exist anymore. So you've got to make your own, your own opportunities in that sense. So even looking at internet broadcasting yourselves, trying to discover some kind of outlet, podcast, do anything that involves broadcasting.
How worried are you about unemployment in the media industry?
Oh, very worried. I mean, there is no guarantee of jobs. I mean, not many companies, employ full-time staff. It's mainly freelance. So again, your work is really unpredictable. 1 week you could be really busy, next week you're not. It's really worrying. Because
if I decided later on in life that I had my heart set on working in radio, working in journalism, but there was no jobs for me, and I'd spent years and years studying to do that, spent lots of money, spent lots of time, and then I go out there and there's no jobs, so what am I going to do? I've only got qualifications to do this, that specific thing. So yeah, unemployment worries me. I need a job.
It's not that easy getting work in the media industry. This is Corey Davidson reporting for Channel 5.